Hey there. Good to see you. If I could see you, it would be great. Uh, I thought I'd give you a week 2 update from the TheIncenseDragon fire. Uh, it's not terribly exciting, but it is moving forward. So let's take a look here. This is about all that survived the fire. It is very, very, very little. Pretty much everything was destroyed. Luckily, I've said this before, my cameras were not in there. These are boxes of splits. Maybe we can salvage some. I am glad to say that we did recover more than a box and a half that was totally untouched. So I thought I'd give you a little tour. This is our woodworking area. Right here we have a couple of different saws and drill press and router table and rolling tool chest right there. Let's see, we step out here and you can see the nice overhead door. Quite lovely and very useful for loading and unloading. Nice sturdy beams, as you can see. Now over here we have our shipping computer with laser printer and labels and boxes. And then over here we have our shipping table with scales and all sorts of shipping supplies right there. Over here are racks and racks of boxes and bags and other packing supplies. Here we have the tables where the magic really happens. All of the mixing is done here, and blending and grinding. And then right over here we do individual packaging. And this is where the big grinders and sifters sit. And of course, this is the YouTube studio. Okay, so in fairness, that was a little bit silly. But that's what this place used to look like. Now, well, it doesn't look all that great at the moment. So the cleanup crew has almost finished out here, and they'll be doing demolition out here before too long. Once the demo is done, then they'll plan out the replacement shop, and we'll be back in business again, but we're not waiting for that, of course. So wanted to give everybody an update and let you know that we are almost ready to start shipping again. We're just waiting for them to turn the power back on. We have a lot of new inventory that has come in and is coming in. I'm happy to say we've got Taboo No Key that we can now ship. We have Joss powder that's ready to ship. And once the power comes on, a lot more things will be ready to ship. Splits, we've got plenty of splits. So I'm going to get the website updated tonight or tomorrow in case you want to place an order. I am working on an incense blend using things that survived the fire. I'm probably going to I might make 2 different blends. If I do, the first one will definitely be named in honor of Kali Ma, who, while often thought of as the destroyer, she's not just a destroyer, she's a creator. So this is the destruction. Now we're hoping that Kali Ma, with our new incense blend, will help us create something new and even more spectacular than before. Calvin would like to say hello. Say hello, Calvin. He says hello. Yes, it's still really terrible. But before I take off, I want to say thank you. So many people have been so supportive. We've gotten all sorts of orders that people know we can't ship yet. And that money has been an absolute saving grace in this situation. Right after the fire, I wondered, can we even come back from this? And the reality is, as soon as the electricity is back on again, we're right back in the game. It'll be a while before we restore all of our inventory. Let me show you something really sad. So it takes a minimum of 1 year's aging to make Nerico. So here we have all sorts. This is cone incense. It's all destroyed. We'll see about the Nerico. It's in plastic bags inside of there. Maybe we'll have some I Survived the Fire Nerico. That would be pretty cool. But once again, thank you, everybody. My love to all of those folks out there who have wished us well. It doesn't matter if you're buying stuff from us or not. All of those well-wishing really, really helps. It really makes a difference. Yeah, I was just bagging stuff with no electricity, using a battery-operated scale, and so we're working hard to get things back in operation here. Thank you for sticking with us. We love our customers and our students and our fellow incense makers. You guys are all just freaking awesome. So signing off for week 2 after the fire. Remember, fire doesn't stop a dragon. So we will be back very soon. Take care.